Okay, this video is going to be about how to request a new report that is a brand new report that does not exist inside the report library inside your Ops Insights account. So here you can see I'm logged in as a standard client user, not a client administrator. In this case, Dwight, an operations manager. And I'd like to request a brand new report. Maybe this is something that was used in a different system or just something that you guys have created, your office has created internally, but just whatever it is, it doesn't exist in the report library and you would like us to build it for you. So in order to do that, it's very easy. Just log into your account, let your dashboard load, and then look over on the left-hand side. You'll see a sidebar, and then there'll be an option called Request New Report here. I'm going to click that, and it's going to take me to a new screen. And essentially what this screen is about is just letting us know the business problem that you're trying to solve. So a report, any report, is basically just there to answer a business question. So tell us what you're looking to do here. We would like to, in this case, in this example, we're going to say orders by branch. We'd like to see, how many, basically how many orders are coming in for each branch. So I'm going to type that in here. We would like to see how many orders are coming in for each branch. Now, this happens to already be in the report library, but that's not the point here. The report requirements could be really anything. This is just an additional field. This is needed quickly for a meeting in 2 days. Just whatever it may be here. And then what we're going to do here is, since you have multiple branches, you'll probably want to choose a visualization that's going to be conducive to kind of showing visually the number of orders per branch over a period of time. In this case, I'm going to choose a bar chart here. And if there's anything you'd like to tell us about, want to see blue and green or whatever else, you can put it here. I'm going to put something very simple here, just each bar on the chart should represent one branch. And then for any report request, we're going to give you a visualization and we're going to give you a drill down. That is, you click drill down and that's going to be a granular file level information, and that's how you can verify that the results are actually correct. So if there's any kind of column names you'd like to see, maybe obviously branch would be branch name would be one. Another one might be your file number, property address, maybe the current action or task, and estimated close date. Say estimated settlement date. And so that's what you'd like to see on column names. These can be anything you'd like, though. If there's something, if you've got an ambiguous name here and you'd like to let us know more information about one of these, you can let us know here under column definition, but that's pretty self-explanatory, so I'm going to put not applicable. Then, as I was saying earlier, if maybe you would like us to recreate a report that you have created manually and there's a manual process in your office, if you would like to attach an Excel spreadsheet or any other kind of documentation that you're using to manually create these reports now, or that may help us produce this report for you in a quicker manner, then you can click attach a document there and it will attach it to this report request. But for now, this is all we need, and I'm going to click request new report. And what you'll see is that a modal window is going to pop up here shortly. And as I said earlier, I am logged in as Dwight, the operations manager. I am not the Ops Insights client administrator in this demo. So this is just letting me know that my request for a new report has been sent to the client administrator for our account. In this case is Michael Scott. And Michael will have to go over here and approve the report request before it's sent to the Ops Insights team to write. The reason we do that is that there could be, as it would be in this case, there could be a report that in the report library that already matches what has been put in here, and maybe it's just not assigned to my user. So that's why it's first sent to Michael. Michael is, as the Ops Insights client administrator for your account, is responsible for approving or denying request. The request that you've put in just now will not be sent to us until Michael logs in and clicks approve. And once you clicked request new report down here, and this modal window came up, an email was sent to Michael to let him know to log in and to approve or deny your request after reviewing it. So now we're just going to click continue, and it's a waiting game until you can see it shows up in your in progress. But it's a waiting game until the client admin approves it. So once Michael logs in, your client admin logs in and approves it, you'll get another automated email, and this status will change. At any point in time, if you'd like to know what's going on with your report request, you can come over here to My Request, and that's going to be the screen that we were just on here. And you'll see your list of requests here. If they're in progress, if there are any completed, you'll see them here. But here, all we care about is the one we just put in, orders by branch, and you'll be able to see an overview of what you put in, any status. So this will be a real-time status update. You can put a note to the client admin of the Ops Insights team. We'll say, Michael, I need this one in a hurry. Could you please go ahead and approve it? And we'll add a note in the system. If I wanted to upload any other documents that I did not do earlier in the process, you can do that here. And then you can see, here you go. This is not yet approved by the client admin. Once it is, you'll see Michael Scott's information and picture show up here. But that's it. So you can add documents, add notes, you can check the status, but it's as easy as that. You should be focusing on running your business and not worrying about how to technically overcome the challenges of getting the data that you need out of your system to make smarter business decisions. So we make the process this easy. It's a little different than others, but it produces a very valid results. So as this report request goes through the process, we'll click on status again here. You'll notice you'll need to approve the results. So once it's finally been sent to the Ops Insights team, we write the report and then return results to you. You and Michael both will receive an email notification, and it'll ask you to log in, come back here to My Request, and this screen will look different. Here it'll say action, you need to review, and it'll ask you to review both the visualization and the drill down. So once you do that, you can kind of double check that, spot check the results against your title production system or other system that you're connected to. And if everything looks good, you can approve it. Or if you'd like us to make further revisions, you can deny the results, and it will loop through a certain portion of this workflow status here. But that ensures that you have results that you can trust. They've been approved and validated and signed off on by you, and that way you can use it to make smarter decisions going forward. So thank you for your time today, for watching this video. Thanks for being an Ops Insights client. If you've ever got any questions, of course, feel free to watch these videos, check the user documentation at docs.opsinsights.com, as well as shoot us an email over to support@opsinsights.com. And finally, if you prefer phone, you can give us a call at 803-712-3278, extension 2 for support. Thanks and have a great day.